Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Solange Mariani is your realtor in Houston. Call 832-309-6874 to start now. This home is located at a quiet cul-de-sac and does it all. Excellent floor plan for a family, abundant backyard, double-height ceilings. The master bedroom is located downstairs and all other bedrooms are up. Bonus family room, playroom upstairs. Ideal for entertaining your guests. The kitchen, living room and dining room have an excellent circulation. Beautiful neighborhood, zoned to stellar schools. New carpet and paint. Room dimensions should be verified. Schedule your showing today.